Taho! Taho! Parang baliw. Magtataho na ako ngayon, guys. Anyway, good morning. Welcome back to another video here in my channel. And for today, I will be sharing to you how I made homemade taho. And yes, guys, it's super easy. And sobrang nagka-crave na naman ako dito. Kaya I decided to Google how to make it. And madali lang pala. Kaya yan, ipapakita ko sa inyo in the next video. But first, tulungan niyo ako at gagawa ko ng sarili kong taho. At yung kay Bebe Boy ay ubos na niya. So, yan. First is we have here tofu. Well, makikita nyo later on naman kung ano yung paano ko siya ginawa and ano yung mga ginamit ko sa kanya. So, this is my glass. Sobrang liit lang kasi ng tofu namin, guys. So, we make tipid and ito lang ang paglalagyan natin ng ating taho. And then, ito yung favorite ko sa taho, arnibal or yung asukal na may tubig. So, ayan, lalagyan ko siya. Ooh! And then, yung maliliit na sago. Ito. Gusto kong damihan ng arnibal kasi yun yung favorite ko talaga, yung sweetener niya. I don't know kung nakikita niyo, pero diliman natin. Ayan, no. Let's mix it. Yummy! So, yan. Kainin na natin siya.
Sarap ng labaw taho.
Yan guys, bago ko siya maubos, let's head on to the video kung paano ko siya ginawa. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye! I love you guys so much. Mwah! Is it yummy? What can you say about it? Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it perfect like the taho in your school before?
Yeah.
Okay. You use the spoon if you don't want the straw. Delicious.